Well, since we didn't have the instructions.
Yeah, we didn't know because I wasn't sure how to do this. And incidentally, if you ever want to take one of these apart, if you don't have the directions on you, don't just start ripping and tearing and figuring out what to do, because there's only so many screws on this. It has to go together one way. I was scratching my head a little bit trying to figure it out because I wasn't quite sure that they had these. Once I figured it out, I happened to be right here, and this one lifted out easy. So that's why I took this panel out first. Okay, so hand me a screw.
And I also have the key piece of information, which was the 2 screws in the door.
Oh yes.
That was
Yes,
the thing.
the 2 screws in the door. That was something too. Okay, hand me just 1 screw, please. And you see this little panel here? That panel has to be pulled out. Just let it run and reach down in there and pull this panel. You'll see it. Remember, there's a groove on the back side of this door that it has to fit in. See? All you have to do is pull that towards me, because I think it's hitting.
Towards you or toward me?
Towards you, I think.
Okay.
No, this door, this wall slip in there. See, this wall has to slip in. Is it going in? Is it going in that groove?
What?
Here, hold this. There's a certain groove here that has to fit in, and it looks like it is.
Okay.
Let's see here. Let's see what the deal is here.
You through with me?
No, not yet. It's hitting something. Here, hold on to that for a minute. Okay, now that has to slide. Okay, there it is. Okay, that. Be sure that's how that goes.
What's your feet? What's your feet?
Around. That's going to go like that. Okay. That looks lined up. That's good. Okay, I see. That's going to end up coming out just slightly. Okay.
What, the seat?
So it looks fine. Now I'm gonna pull this side back. Remember, this piece of trim stops this wall end. I gotta fish that in there. Oh, I thought I had it. Hey, oh, there it is. Okay, I'm just hand tightening it for now. Okay, hand me another long screw. Please, there's 2 sizes of screws. You've got long ones and you got 2 short ones. The 2 short ones are for the door. Okay, so now, making sure it's all lined up properly, push in, and let's see if we can't get that. There it is, right there. And we'll line up these reveals after we get this hooked up. Okay, that's why I don't want to tighten it all the way yet, but I will go a little bit. Where's that Allen wrench? I think it's right here. It's right here. I'm going to give it a few spins. Okay, but I'm not going to tighten it up. I'm just going to leave it out. Just a hair. Just so I know it's not going to fall apart. Got me?
Yeah.
Capiche? Capiche? Okay, now before I bring in that glass door, I'm going to go ahead and take that panel down. Remember? Okay? Loosen this up. Take this panel off. Just setting it over here to keep it off the floor. We just sealed this floor with 2 coats of sealer. And if you haven't watched that video, you might want to watch that too, because there used to be carpet on this floor. Looks pretty good without it, I might add. Okay, so that's all we're going to do. Now we're going to bring in the glass door. Got to be careful with this. Hey, cheers to you for making the decision to do it yourself.